Are you tired of missed calls, overflowing voicemail boxes, and the constant struggle to keep up with customer interactions? Imagine a world where your business never misses a beat, no matter the time of day. Welcome to Callsy, the revolutionary AI-powered telemarketing solution designed to elevate your business communication to the next level. With Callsy, managing both inbound and outbound calls has never been easier. Imagine automatically handling your sales calls, qualifying leads, and booking appointments, all without lifting a finger. Our advanced technology lets you focus on what you do best while we take care of the rest. Say goodbye to long wait times and frustration. Callsy manages inbound calls to answer customer queries, provide support, and take messages around the clock. Yes, you heard that right. Minus 24/7 availability means your customers are always taken care of, no matter what time they reach out. One of the standout features of Callsy is its Trainable AI Agents. You can customize these agents with product briefings and scripts, ensuring that your customers receive consistent and informed responses every time they call. They'll feel like they're speaking with a real person, thanks to our advanced voice technology, which creates realistic conversations that enhance customer engagement. But the benefits don't stop there. Callsy brings language versatility to your business, enabling you to communicate effectively with prospects in multiple languages, breaking down barriers and expanding your reach. Plus, with seamless integration with Twilio, you can make and receive international calls effortlessly. Need to schedule calls or send appointment reminders? Callsy has you covered. It can handle all your scheduling needs, ensuring that you never miss an important interaction. And if you want to gather vital feedback from your customers, our survey capabilities allow you to conduct telephonic surveys efficiently. With Callsy, you can even create multiple campaigns with specific objectives and messaging to suit your marketing strategy. Plus, enjoy the flexibility of customization and compliance. Choose from various voices, maintain Do Not Disturb lists, and ensure that all interactions meet regulatory standards. Unlock the true potential of your business with Callsy. And remember, when you buy Callsy through my link, you'll also unlock exclusive bonuses that I've put together for you. Bonuses you won't find anywhere else. Thank you for watching my Callsy review. If you found this information helpful and are excited about transforming your business's communication, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates. Grab your copy of Callsy today, and I'll see you inside.